Oh my goodness, we love a flattering angle to start the video. Yes, we do. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting off the video with no eyebrows, and we are going to a red carpet event. So since award season just happened, and you know, being YouTuber, sometimes I go to red carpet events. Usually I just like sit in my house, but sometimes I go outside. So today I thought it'd be fun to show you a little get ready with me red carpet glam, because your girl is still trying to get an invite to the Met Gala. So instead of me just standing here with no eyebrows anymore, we're gonna go ahead and get ready. So here we go. Let's get ready. Are you ready to get ready, baby? Yeah? Are you gonna come to the Oscars with me? Oh my goodness, you would be the most handsome date there. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take a shower, because I'm disgusting.
Alrighty, so just for reference, before we get ready, here is me before, ta-da. You've seen it before, but make sure you emblazon that image in your mind. So the very first thing before we get ready, obviously, is we're going to take a shower, because I am dirty, so we need to take a shower. So obviously I'm not going to show that, but you know, you get the point. If you really want to see me shower, I have a video on me showering. I don't know why, but I do. But anyways, once we get out of the shower...
George, how'd you get in here?
Now that we're all nice and clean, it's time to tan up our skin. So I've been using Bondi Sands recently. You can get it at CVS, any drugstore, I'm pretty sure. It is my current tanning lotion of choice. So you can see my natural skin tone is very, very pale. But in photographs for red carpet specifically, you want to be kind of golden because it just looks better in pics. So I go ahead, I put that on the mitt. You can see it looks like this like weird little... It actually doesn't look that cute. But anyways, go ahead and rub that on all over my body so I'm nice and tan. You can see pale versus tan. Groovy. This will darken over the next 12 hours anyway, so this is just like the immediate results, but stay tuned, I'll be extra bronzy by the end of this vid. So, now that we're all nice and tan, it is time to whiten our teeth. I whiten my teeth all the time, you guys are always asking. Honest to God, I just use Crest White Strips. I use them like way more than normal people should be using them. I use them like 3 or 4 times a year, or just when I feel like using them. That's not the proper usage, but whatever. So I go ahead and put those on, leave it on for 30 minutes, and voila, my teeth will be nice and sparkly when we're done with that.
And now it's time to do our makeup so I can have eyebrows. All right, so
we're gonna put on our favorite fancy robe again, and it is time to dance around the room like a ballerina in this robe. I love it. But anyways, that's not the point. So now, I think I'm gonna shave my face. Because that's a normal thing to do, right? No, okay. But anyways, I've been shaving my face for years now. I originally watched Carly Bible shave her face like years ago, and I was obsessed with her, so I decided to shave my face too. And now, really cool, we're like BFFs in real life because God is amazing and YouTube is crazy and I can't believe we're friends. Anyways, shout out to you, Carly, love you. But regardless, yeah, if you want to see me shave my face, I have a full video of that on my channel. But basically, I just take these little razors and I'll shave off my sideburns because it just makes my makeup go on nice and clear and good, and makes my face feel shiny and smooth and soft. Also like I'm in a commercial for baby wipes. Cute. So now we're gonna do a nice little facial. We got the Mask of Magnanimity from Lush. I love Lush product. This one specifically is my favorite. So
I look so beautiful. Wow. New Tinder profile pic. What's up? Hot men watching this, please DM me.
So once you terrorize your dog wearing the mask, you can go ahead and wait for that to dry. While you wait for it to dry, may I suggest shopping my merch? It is the best merch ever! Just dropped. So if you want it, you can grab that at amberscholl.com. Incredible. Once that is all nice and dry and crusty and your online shopping dreams have been fulfilled, you can wipe that off to reveal perfect baby soft skin.
All right, now it's time to do on makeup because I'm tired of not having eyebrows. So here we go.
Okay, so makeup. So you guys know I'm not the greatest makeup artist in the world. You guys have seen me do my makeup poorly 400 times, but I will do it for you again today. So yes, I just go ahead and put on foundation, you know, rub that in, do some contouring, some highlighting, whatever I learned from YouTube myself, because I watch YouTube too. I also don't know what I'm doing, clearly, so I need some lessons from my gal pals. If you want to see me like really fully do my makeup, I have a million videos of me really doing my makeup fully, so you can watch me do it in Kim's studio, you can watch my friend teach me how to do it, you can watch me do it Vogue style, or any style you want. If you want a really good chuckle, you can even watch me do it like 3 years ago with my first tutorial.
I'm known in my Instagrams for having thick, fluffy eyebrows. I'm like spitting.
It's very funny, but honestly, it hasn't improved much since then. But if you want a good laugh, there you go. So, yeah, anyways, go ahead, wing my liner, because like all things in life, bigger is better. So we got a nice big thick wing there and some fake lashes because that will transform your whole face. And look at that. miraculously Instagrammable considering the very weird process I got to doing it.
Look at that glam. Honestly, it's amazing how badly I do my makeup and then it looks good. Now, the best part, hair. Oh, look at the king of hair has arrived. Oh my God, you look gorgeous right now. I'm serious, you look fully voguing. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay, anyways. So this is my BFF Josh, hairstylist extraordinaire. You guys know him from many other videos, and he has come to help me with my red carpet look.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I think I want my hair to look like this because this is frickin' fire. Can you do that, Josh?
Yeah, we can. We got our Lexi hair to prove it.
Hi, honey. Alrighty, so we got Josh all nice and set up here on my pretty backdrop. Are you ready to do? Also, wait, hold on. Look at Josh's outfit of the day. He looks fire. Look at that. This is fashion. This is Vogue. This is Josh. Wow.
I hate it.
Inspiring.
I have no shoes on.
Oh, me either. George never wears shoes. That's a tragedy. So this video is sponsored by George. Not really, but it is sponsored by Luxie. Luxie hair extensions. Tell me about the hair, Josh.
So we have Lexi hair, and we have it in this jet black color.
Woo!
It gives you one tester piece, and then on the inside, we have a full set of clip-ins.
Oh.
This is the jet black set.
Look at that.
And it is so thick and lush and
Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that.
So thick.
Wow, this is
A full set of hair.
Woo!
Double wefted.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, it looks nice.
Luxurious.
You want to put it on you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
me, but
God, it's beautiful.
close.
It's beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, fierce. So this is what we're gonna use today. So shout out to Lexi Hair for sponsoring this video. Oh my God, it's literally beautiful. I wear this like all the time, but we have a nice new fresh set today, so woo, it's gonna be good.
I wear these extensions all the time. You've seen them in past videos. They're super high quality, really soft, really shiny. Again, cute packaging, which I love. And it's all ethically sourced hair, which is really important to me. So it's just a great way to look fabulous and glamorous because my hair is kind of thin. So you can see it like adds a lot of thickness and fullness to my hair. And it's great for doing hairstyles like this because honestly, all these celebrities are wearing hair extensions. Nobody's hair is just like this. Literally nobody's.
Okay, so we're getting started. So Josh, you want to give a quick bio about yourself?
Yeah, so I'm a hairstylist based in LA, and I've been Amber's friend since forever.
Oh, it's been like 7 years.
You won't recognize either of us. But
oh, brush those beauties. Wow, it's like a petting zoo. Honey, would you like to be beautiful? So what's happening?
We're placing the clip-in step by step, like row by row.
Okay.
Starting from the middle downward, and then we're gonna sleek it all up.
Ooh.
And then on the top, we're gonna lay them this way, and then just sleek it all up.
Alrighty, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
This is such a look. Oh my God, I love it.
Here.
Oh, look at that.
And now we're gonna cover it up. Should we leave a wispy down? Or
Yeah,
wispy
let's
up?
do, well, you're the hairstylist.
Let's do it down. Soften
Down,
up
a
the
down
look.
wispy? Okay,
Mhm.
fun. It looks perfect, Josh. I think it's done.
Yeah. Except we need 500 more clip-ins. Let's do it.
Okay. Clipping those bad boys in. Oh, look at that. Do you see it, guys? That's the clip. It's a secret clip.
Hiding it all.
Ooh. These are professional hairstylist secrets. Oh, my eyes look beautiful. Look at that wing. Hello. Honestly, I think it's done. This looks beautiful.
I mean, it reminds me of Mulan vibes, you know? This is what you'd give me to work with. Well, honey, I've seen worse.
I'll make a man out of you. Ooh. This is exciting.
Snatching her up.
Oh yes, snatch me up, honey. Oh, that is the ultimate snatchery right there. Yes. The various steps to this are hilarious. Oh yeah. Thank God I shaved my sideburns. Spray it up, baby. Oh yes. This is gonna be fun to shower out. Josh always says this, but what's the thing about hairspray?
When you think you sprayed enough, spray more.
I love that.
More is more, you know?
More is more, my fellow Leo extra friend. Oh my God, it's coming together. Ooh, I feel like a Flintstone. Okay, we're gonna curl the ends here.
So what I do is I get the curling iron, drag it flatwards, don't spiral it, and then just move it all the way up horizontally.
Oh my God, look at the cute little curls, you guys. It looks like a professional did it.
Girl!
Look at those extensions go. Look how shiny. Look how shiny and luxe they are. Luxy. Ha ha ha. Pun.
Now we're gonna go ahead and do the hair up.
Look at that.
I'm grabbing the side of her pony, and I'm just gonna hairspray it to itself and just continue to wrap it around and around.
This is the good stuff. This is how you make it look hella professional. Woo!
Amber, you take some notes. I've seen you do this on
I do this all the time. It makes it look so good. Oh my goodness, George, you look so cute over there. Ah! Oh my God, it's looking so cute. I feel so glamorous. Oh my God, this is the cutest. Josh! I love it. Now this is red carpet glam. I feel just like Kylie and Bella and everyone. Oh! Fierce. Serving. Ooh. Absolutely freaking adorable. Alrighty, time to get dressed. You guys saw me pick this guy out in a video already, so if you want to watch that, you can, but
You can see me and my friend Mariah had so much fun picking out the Oscar dresses, even though, like I said, we're not going to the Oscars, but that didn't stop us from shopping. So that was us picking the dress out. But now it's time, you know, why I made this video, to finally get to wear it.
dun 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 dun. Oh my goodness. We got our shoes, we got our legs. Choo. Oh my goodness. Time to go. Dun 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 dun. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, we've got the whole back seat. Josh, the chauffeur.
Okay.
Woo! Let's go.
Okay, so when I say we're on our way to a red carpet event, I really mean we're just sneaking into the Beverly Hills Hotel because they have a red carpet, but we're gonna try not to get kicked out.
Okay, are you ready for our red carpet event?
Yes, we're gonna touch her up real quick. Get her on the carpet.
Here we go. We're literally sneaking into a hotel. Oh yeah, wait, will you hold? Thanks, Josh. Okay, by the way, we're sneaking into this hotel, so don't tell anyone, but... Done. Oh yes, that is couple goals right there. Squad goals. Woo. Dun, 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 I'm at the Met Gala. Are you ready?
So I was glamorous on the fake red carpet. We vogued, we posed, we did all sorts of Rihanna-esque things. I say Rihanna-esque, but I'm nowhere near Rihanna, but you know, I aspire. So I did my best celebrity impersonations and had a great time with Josh taking silly pictures and being fabulous.
And that was my red carpet event. There wasn't really a red carpet event. We just wanted to take funny photos. So thank you, Josh, for doing my hair.
Of course.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to shop Luxy Hair. You guys can click the link in the description. I love you guys so very much. And remember, even if there's no event, you can be glamorous anytime. Make your own event. Wear the dress. Who cares? I love ya. XO. There's like people in the background.
Wouldn't it be cool if my life was actually so glamorous that I did get to go to red carpet events all the time? Instead, I just sit here editing videos with George. Hi, baby. This is what I should really post on my Instagram. This is what's really happening. It's glamorous too if you pretend. I need Josh to come back.